Hey, what's going on, guys? So today we are gonna go to one of the famous highways in Malaysia. It's called Mex Highway. It's known for people like being able to go fast in it. So hopefully if there's no traffic and it's safe, we are gonna push the car and try to see what top speed we can get, because it's been quite a while since I've done that, and as my car has aged, I feel like the power has gone down a bit. So we are gonna go there. We are gonna try to hit top speed run, and after that we are gonna head to Cyberjaya. If we find some open roads, we are gonna test the cars 0 to 100. So you want to see all that, stick around and let's go. So guys, we are now at Mex Highway. If you watched the last vlog, you'd know that it's become our theme that every vlog it has to rain during the vlog. You watched it. We had to shoot that in 2 separate days because the first day that we went there, the rain was very heavy. We did a lot of drifting and we had a lot of fun. So if you want to watch that, go ahead and watch it. So the road is opening up in front of us. We're doing nothing crazy, around 160 kilometers per hour, 184 horsepower. It's never been tuned. If you notice, my accelerations are not as fast. It's because my car is not that fast. But we are gonna go to sport mode, sport gearbox, and we are gonna looks like there's an open stretch in front of us. We are doing 190. We are approaching 200. Pull 1. And it hits. Oh yeah. Have to lift off the car in front. But right now, 409. I think that's about what we can get, maybe. So one thing that I need to take care of on this car is that the suspension has become very soft. So my dampers are my shock absorbers are very soft right now. So that makes the car a bit unstable while I'm going fast, which worries me quite a bit. It's not fun. But the good news is that since my I need to change my shock absorbers soon, I'll just probably lower my car as well in the process, which is gonna be a lot of fun. We are heading to McDonald's drive-thru. Sherry wants to eat.
My name is Jeff.
Eating McDonald's and BMW, dude. Oh my god.
Bro, I've seen people like Warren Buffett. Warren Buffett eats.
I didn't decide what I'm gonna eat. Oh my god.
What do you want to eat?
Spicy chicken McDeluxe, maybe.
Spicy chicken McDeluxe.
Okay.
A la carte.
A la carte. A la carte.
Drink?
No, a la carte.
A la carte.
Milo.
Oh my god, a la carte. Hello.
Oh my god.
That's all?
Yeah, spicy McDeluxe a la carte.
Okay, that's all, sir.
That's all.
Thank you again.
Thank you. That's the funniest drive-thru. Okay. Thank you. Have a good day. Sherry,
Are you really filming me eat, dude? I'm gonna eat it anyway. I'm so hungry. I'm sorry, man. Let's not film it.
Scene 1, Apple, take 2. Alright guys, so we want to test the car's 0 to 100 kilometers per hour right now. We are at this stretch of road that's pretty empty. I've never tested my car's 0 to 100. Some people who do miles would like to call it 0 to 60. I don't know. It says 8 point something seconds in the car stats. That's what we are gonna test now, and let's see what we get. So we are going to put the car in Sport Plus. Turn DSC off. We're gonna go to sports display.
Okay, so I'm just getting ready. When I move my hand up, you start, okay? Hold on.
Okay. So we are gonna put the car in gear sport S1. We're not gonna go to manual because I would rather the car do the shifting by itself. We are gonna wait until all the cars pass. Ready? Yeah, that's about it. I'm curious to see what number we got. I think we did hit around 8 or 9 seconds.
GoPro here to record the high-speed run, but then we are nervous that it's gonna go off.
Yeah, so when we wanted to buy a mount, we bought the most expensive one just to make sure that we can do this. But we are gonna try and hopefully go do a top speed run now. And we were just curious of how it would look to do over 200 kilometers per hour from the outside, you know. It's just these curiosities that never end. Okay, scale of 1 to 10, how nervous are we? It's the first time we are doing this.
I'm a lot.
So
oh my god, it's shaking, dude.
If any people, anyone that has already done this is watching this and laughing at us, please don't. It's the first time we've done this.
I think that's enough footage. Seriously, we don't need that much. Oh no, okay. We don't need to go over 100. It says on the box 100. No, don't roll that away. No! No! It's gonna fall! Okay.
It was stuck pretty good there. Bro, I told you before this turns to 170, record it.
Okay.
I asked for one thing.
You were talking to me.
I do talk a lot, don't I?
Yeah.
Yeah.
So, just reached.
No!
No, God! No, God, please, no! No!
170,000.
It's your car's birthday. Kind of. No? Okay. I'll just look away casually. Nothing happened here.
Alright guys, thanks for watching today's vlog. I hope you really enjoyed it. If you enjoyed the vlog, make sure to hit the like button, subscribe to my channel. Share this with anyone who you think might like it.
Hey, could you please take a moment to turn around? How beautiful that car looks.
Yeah, it's drippy.
God damn.
Have an awesome day, guys. See you in the next one.